Hey, what's going on, traders? Welcome to the Zero to Hero Trader YouTube channel, where we teach you the ins and outs of trading the markets to make you a better trader. Now, before we get started, make sure that you like and subscribe down below so you can get notified when we post another video. And last but not least, if you're interested in some of the custom studies that we use in our videos for Think or Swim on the channel, I dropped a link in the description where you can go and check those out if you like. In this video, we're going to be doing a deep dive into a bullish continuation chart pattern, the bullish flag. Let's go.
Zero to hero trader, learn to trade in no time. Watch our videos and be sure to subscribe.
All right, guys, so the bullish flag is a bullish continuation chart pattern. We're switching it up just a little bit from the reversal chart patterns. We went through all these. You can go and check out those from our previous videos. And we're going into now the continuation chart patterns section of the classic chart patterns collection that we've put together here, okay? All right, so the bullish flag. This is a very common one that you might already be familiar with, but if you're not, we're gonna go through it here, and this one has 5 different components that make up this pattern. All right, component number 1, we're going to be in an uptrend, and this is likely going to be a strong uptrend for it to form these bullish flags. Okay, so what we're looking for here, a strong bullish uptrend. Component number 2, it's going to make a tight consolidation. After this strong move up, it's going to make a tight consolidation, moving slightly down. So component number 3, it's going to make a series of lower highs here. Component number 4, it's going to be making a series of lower lows at the same time. And then component number 5, it's going to eventually break out above this upper trend line for the breakout and the continued move to the upside. All right, so where we put our entries? My entry is going to be right as it starts to break above this upper trend line. Right here, as indicated by the arrow here. And where would I place my stops? I like to place my stops down below this low right here. All right, guys, so that is the deep dive on the bullish flag continuation chart pattern. Let's go see if we can find some examples in the charts. Let's go. All right, so I found one here in the charts. All right, so component number 1, we have this nice strong move up. All right, that's component number 1. Then we have this little tight consolidation here that moves slightly down. Component number 2. And then we get a series of lower highs. Component number 3. Series of lower lows. Component number 4. And then eventually we get the breakout for the continued move to the upside. All right, guys, so that is a nice example of a bullish flag. All right, let's see if we can find one more example. Okay, so here's another one. Nice move up. We got our consolidation. Lower highs. Lower lows. Continued move to the upside. All right, guys, so that is the bullish continuation chart pattern, the bullish flag. If you like this video, go ahead and leave us a like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon to get notified when we post another one. And if you haven't yet, check that description for the link to the free PDF of the classic chart patterns right here. You can download that, do with it whatever you like, print it out, keep it on your computer so you have it by your side while you're trading. And I will see you in the next one.